This beautiful house in Arizona is built using shipping container modules. The house is built using 3 container modules stitched together side by side to create over 960 square feet of habitable space. The house is big and spacious enough to accommodate 2 sizable bedrooms, a master ensuite, and a common bathroom. The house has got a big open plan living space with a lounge area, a kitchen, and a big center island that is big enough to accommodate a breakfast counter and dining area that can comfortably sit 4. This is the amazing view of the open plan living space with a spacious lounge area with a nice feature wall that accommodates a console and a flat screen TV. The house has got good and well designed lighting that includes a chandelier and some downlighters. On the extreme end is a modern L-shaped kitchen. On that view you can see the L-shaped kitchen with lots of under the counter storage cabinets, big counter space, overhead storage cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and an island that serves as the dining table. The kitchen is fitted with big glass windows to maximize on daylighting, and also it has an exit door to the rear of the building. That's a view of the master bedroom. It is big, well designed, and furnished to ooze luxury and comfort. The bedroom is fitted with a big full height sliding glass door that opens wide to the outdoors, letting in fresh air and maximum daylighting, and emphasizing the indoor-outdoor living experience. There's a view of the second bedroom. It's equally spacious and big enough to accommodate a double bed, and I like the finishing with wooden floors, a feature wall, and enough storage space. The floor plan is well designed and every space is well executed with maximum provision for function and comfort. The bedrooms are located on one side and the living space on the opposite to create a privacy gradient and also to emphasize on function. On the outside, the house is given a modern clean finish, emphasizing the boxy and the modular nature of shipping container modules to bring out a modern modular house with clean modern finishes throughout. The big glass windows and doors provide maximum daylighting, maximum access, and also design flair, allowing for a seamless access between the indoor and the outdoor spaces, maximizing the use of the big outdoor living spaces. This amazing house was an active listing and it is off the market, and it was listed then for $136,000. We love everything about this modern house, the floor plan, and even the design concept. If your dream is to build yourself a shipping container home and you have no idea where to begin from, worry not. We have put together the best shipping container home building guide on the market. This amazing guide is comprising of over 300 pages, structured into 14 detailed chapters covering everything you need to know and understand about shipping containers, from inspection, purchase, modification, insulation, finishing, and even it goes ahead to give you free case studies of the best shipping container getaway in the Caribbean, plus a free floor plan of one of the most popular container home designs by Sheltermode. The reception from our followers and our supporters has been amazing. Thank you for purchasing this amazing guide by downloading your e-copy or your audio copy from our website. You can also get yourself a hard copy on Amazon. For those who have gotten a chance to grab and put their hands on this amazing guide, support the reach of this amazing book by giving us a positive review on Amazon using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.